Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis video, another market analysis currency breakdown. This morning, we're going to be looking at the USDCHF. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put a little bit of extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. Why do the hard work? We'll do the hard work for you. Only thing that we ask that you do is like, subscribe, and share our videos. Liking and sharing the videos allows you to get notifications of when our content drops. Um, liking and sharing allows the videos to get pushed out there further into YouTube, so we can continue to grow our community of profitable traders. Okay. And also, if you guys have requests on any charts that you want, break it down. Doesn't matter if it's Forex, gold, oil. Well, not too much oil because we've tried to post oil videos before, but YouTube does not seem to like us posting oil videos. So let's just say gold, stocks, futures, metals, cryptocurrency. If you guys have any special requests about market analysis and chart breakdowns on those videos, either hit us in our email that's in the description of every one of the videos that's posted, or just make a direct comment in the bottom of the video, and we will see the comment, and we will definitely make that a market analysis video for you for whatever security or commodity that you want analyzed. Okay. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and dive into what's happening on this chart and currency pair. First, we'll start off with the currency pair before we get into the chart. So we're going to start off with the CHF. Okay. So we have not had no CHF news this week show up on the economic calendar, and it does not look like we are going to get any CHF news for this week either, which is not too strange because CHF is not one of those currencies that just constantly has economic news being reported on in this economy on an everyday continued basis like the USD or the euro or the British pound. Those three currencies have frequent news almost every other to every day coming out. The CHF does it about, twice a week, once a week. Sometimes it'll go a week at a time without having no economic news. So what we have to do is base what's going on with the CHF off the last economic news event that we had came out. And that last economic news event was on the 14th, in which we had a CHF that had some positive news. It had some positive news about its PPI. Okay, so but the thing about it is that the CHF Switzerland is in Europe, and we do have a dark cloud hanging over the entire European continent's economy from the destabilization of the Russian-Ukrainian war, and we also have inflation hanging over it too. Okay. So even though we have technically a a strong CHF, that strength is only going to give it periodic strength and not long-term trajectory strength, and that's because you still have the dark cloud of inflation and also have the dark cloud of high gas prices due to high oil prices due to geopolitics, and you do have that this entire dark cloud of the destabilization of the entire European continent's economy due to the Russian-Ukrainian war. Okay, so these dark clouds will go away once the war has to find some type of resolution, even through some type of peace agreements or halt in hostilities, because a lot of the economic woes that's being suffered upon Europe is happening due to geopolitics, and now we're living in a trading time where geopolitics is actually superseding economics and was dictating whether currencies are strong or weak and how they behave. Okay, so that's what's going on with the CHF. With the USD, we're having another week. We're having another week of a lot more positive news than negative news, which means that the latter part of this trading week, that the USD is remaining one of our stronger currencies. And we do have some economic news coming out about the USD around 8:30 Eastern time, just prior to the opening of the New York session. That is going to tell us, that is going to give us a good idea on how much further this trajectory could go towards the strengthening of the USD. If the news comes out positive, we're going to still be on a good pace to gain strength. If the news comes out more negative or more bearish, then we're going to see a slowing down of the trajectory of the USD gaining strength. But it does not mean that the USD is weak. It just means that the strength that it's gaining is slowing down. Okay? So now that we got that out the way, let's talk about what's happening on the charts. Okay, so as we can see, all right, let's get this open a little bit. Okay. So as we can see, we were coming down, and now we're coming up, and I'm sorry about that. And we're coming up even further. So now we're in this area here, which we said in our video, the video prior that we made about this currency pair, that this was actually going to start to come down to this general area here. Could possibly even go further here as retracement is kicking in for this currency pair. Now we're still on a trajectory to go up towards the long side, with the new targeted price area being 0.95 800 900. That's what would be the new targeted price area. But like I said, charts are not unilateral. They just don't go up. They just don't go down. They go up. They go down. They go up. Okay. So now we're dealing with the retracement that's coming down to the area that we predict to do either about here. It can get a little bit more aggressive and come down to here, especially if the USD starts to lose its trajectory and the strength that it's gaining from some negative news coming out. But for the most part, we're still going to be heading towards the long position. So I would say wait for this retracement to come, to finish out. Wait for the aggressive move, push up, pathetic pullback, and then it will continue towards the long side. Okay, so we can range out here, aggressive push up, pathetic pullback, and go, or we can actually drop to further to this area here, range out, aggressive push up, pathetic pullback, and then go. Okay, hope that information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.